Alright, so I have new stuff from NYKAA.com. Let's get started. Some of them are gifts from Deblina, a fellow YouTuber and my sister. I love her and thank you so much for letting me try some of the products that I haven't tried yet. So the first one that I have is this shampoo, the mini size shampoo that I wanted to try. This is from NYKAA Naturals. It's apple cider vinegar and ginger shampoo. It's paraben free, SLS free, cruelty free, and has natural actives in it. So I'm gonna use it, and of course I'm gonna love it because it has apple cider vinegar. I love that stuff. The next product that I have is this metal eyeshadow from K Beauty. So Deblina knew that I wanted to try K Beauty. It's a brand by Katrina Kaif, and that's why, how thoughtful of her, she gave me all products from K Beauty. So this is in the shade Fortune. I'm fortunate enough to try this brand thanks to Deblina once again. I love the packaging. These are pencil eyeshadows. You can see from the packaging itself what the shade is. Gliding on smoothly. Looks like a very versatile shade. Oh, totally my kind of shade. I like the color payoff, obviously very pigmented. This matte blush from K Beauty once again in the shade Deep Plum. It's a matte blush, so I'm really excited to see how it's gonna look like on my cheeks. And it has 8.5 grams of product. Oh my god, look at the packaging. Just look at that. The color is like this, and this is the shade. Oh my god, just a single swipe. Just look at that. Do you see that? Oh my god, thank you so much, Deblina. This is so amazing. Just a single swipe is doing magic. One is this matte drama lipstick in the shade Debut, and the other one is a lip topper in the shade Covergirl. Love the packaging. Just look at that. Just look at that. I'm gonna use this straight onto my lips. Love this kind of shade. It goes well with my outfit as well. I love the similar pattern on each of their products. So let's see. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, I'm curious. Ooh. This lip topper is an interesting product. I've never tried anything like this before, especially the applicator is very, very unique. Now it's time for me to try out the lipsticks that I got. Now the lipsticks that I got are from the NYKAA brand itself, NYKAA matte lipsticks, and I got the shade Daydreaming, and the other one is Break a Leg. It. I loved trying out new products, especially because they are from India. I hope you all liked watching this video of mine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Bye for now.